your boy is about to provide you guys with 6 amazing Argo fragrances that smells absolutely phenomenal. They're sexy, they're seductive, and they're absolutely beast mode sexy freaking seductive fragrances to help you smell amazing. Now listen boys, I have 6 fragrances here and I want you guys to let me know, give me some recommendation on fragrances from the house of Argo that you want your boy to wear to smell amazing. So let's start with the first fragrance on this list, and we have here is Basio Immortale. Now this fragrance is a savage. This fragrance is a raspberry leather type of a fragrance that smells absolutely phenomenal. It's sophisticated, it is classic, it is a fragrance that is meant for those high-end bold individuals that love smelling absolutely amazing. So if you love that leather, you love that raspberry, you love smelling absolutely sexy, then boys, your papi right here is gonna get the job done. So make sure you check out Basio Immortale and elevate your game. So now we're going to the next fragrance on this list, man, and this is one of my personal favorites when it comes for the house of Argos, and we have here is Deney, man. This fragrance right here is phenomenal. It is fresh, sexy, seductive, amazing type of a scent profile that I'm telling you, it pulls compliments. It's gonna elevate your game. It's gonna have you smell sexy. It's gonna have you smell absolutely seductive. And boys, it is a panty dropper fragrance to get those girls on their knees. Wait, yes, on their mother effing knees. This fragrance is absolutely good. The juice to this fragrance is straight up top mother effing notch. Fresh, sexy, and absolutely seductive from the house of Argos. And I'm telling you boys, this fragrance is a straight up mother effing banger. So moving to the next fragrance on this list, man, we have here is Birth of Venus. Now this fragrance is a very, very sweet fragrance. It is delicious, it is mouth-watering, it's chocolate, raspberry, it has a whole bunch of stuff going on that makes this fragrance absolutely delicious. Now the thing about this fragrance, people will gravitate more for it to be more of a female's fragrance than a man fragrance. But listen, overall the fragrance is phenomenal, and guess what? Valentine Day is around the corner. You want to have your girl smelling delicious to potentially you can take a bite out of her, then boys, this delicious fragrance right here, Birth of Venus, is going to get the job done. Try it, sample it, and boys, I'm telling you, the fragrance is good. So if you're in the market for a nice, sweet, delicious, gourmand, chocolate type of a fragrance, you want to devour the girl or you want the girl to devour you, whichever the option is, boys, this fragrance works absolutely wonder. This fragrance is an absolute savage in that department. So make sure you check out Birth of Venus and elevate your game or hers game. Moving on to the next fragrance on this list, man, we have here is your boy Full of Faith in. And this fragrance is for those bold, confident individual, man. You're looking for something completely unique. You're looking for something that is bold and fresh and absolutely sexy. Then I'm telling you, this fragrance is absolutely straight up mother effing class. This fragrance is meant for the chosen one. This fragrance is meant for those high-end individual that is an absolute boss man, confident, sexy, doesn't care what nobody thinks about him because he's the mother effing man. And this fragrance, I'm telling you, it is absolutely amazing. Boys, listen, before you try any of these fragrances, sample them, try them, and I'm telling you, your boy got some buyer recommendation to elevate your game. I'm gonna leave a link down below with some samples for you guys to check from the house of Argo, and I'm telling you boys, these fragrances are gonna elevate your mother effing game. And this sexy, bold, fresh, sexy beast of a fragrance is going to get the job done. So make sure you check out Full of Faith in if we're looking to elevate your mother effing game. So now we're going to the next fragrance on this list, man, and we have here is your boy Sacred Mother effing Flames, man. Now Sacred Flames, man, is a juicy, fruity bomb. All right, man. If we love fruity fragrances like let's say like Herbal Puda or God of Fire, then I'm telling you, you're going to love this beast of a fragrance. It is phenomenal. It is breathtaking. It is uplifting. It is delicious. It is sexy. It is seductive. Boys, can't you ask for more? This fragrance right here is an absolute savage from the house of Argos, man. I'm telling you, if you are not checking the fragrances from the house of Argos, you are sleeping under a rock. You do not know what you're missing out on. These fragrances are just straight up bangers, man. I am telling you, straight up freaking bangers. And Argos Sacred Flames, man, oh my God, this fragrance is absolutely good. So now we're going to the next fragrance on this list, man, and we have here is Triumph of a Bacchus extrait, man. And listen, when we talk about trying for Bacchus, you can go with either or, the original or the extrait. It doesn't matter. They're both good. This is just a bit more potent than the original one. But both scent profile are just straight up freaking phenomenal. They're sexy, bougie, straight up seductive. They're gonna have these girl go crazy for you. They're panty dropper approved. They're compliment getter. They're straight up freaking amazing. And Argos, once again, they got freaking bangers. And your boy is trying to hook you guys up with straight freaking bangers to have you smell amazing. And listen, if you guys are into the house of Argos and you got some recommendation for your boy, give him some more fragrances, because your boy just wants to buy the entire collection from the house of Argos, because they're freaking good. And by the way, this video is not sponsored, because I hear my thing that I'm sponsoring this video, but no, the fragrance is absolutely amazing. Like I mentioned before, sample them, buy the sample set, try them out, because I'm telling you, Argo fragrances are absolutely phenomenal. And I don't want you boys to miss out on straight up freaking bangers. Your boy G Mother effing Fragrance is only here to help you smell phenomenal. So make sure you check out Triumph of a Bacchus extrait and elevate your game. If you guys are looking for 10 amazing spring fragrances that your boy is gonna be wearing this spring, then check this video right here so your boy can provide you with those bangers. See you on the next video.